If access disappears, does your Bitcoin disappear with it? Bitcoin doesn't live on your phone. It doesn't live in an app. And it doesn't disappear just because you lose access. If you want to solve this puzzle and win Bitcoin, you need every clue. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next episode. In 2008, access vanished overnight. Not because the money was gone, but because someone else controlled the system. Bitcoin removes that risk and replaces it with responsibility. No support desk, no reset button, no exceptions. That's not a flaw, that's the point. Now imagine this. Your house is gone, your devices are gone, every backup you trusted is gone. Tomorrow morning, you wake up in a hotel room. You have internet, a device you've never used before, and 30 minutes. So the real question is simple. Could you recover it? Now try the same thing with a bank. No phone, no documents, no address to return to. Access depends on permission, and when systems break, access doesn't come back. In that moment, recovery should be boring. You sit down at a new device, enter your words, and watch your Bitcoin appear without panic. Nothing special happens. No approval, no permission. Your money is simply there because it was always yours. Most people only think about backups after they've lost access. And that Bitcoin is gone forever. You don't have to be most people. After this episode, don't just think about it. Test yourself before reality does. Security doesn't matter if you can reach it under pressure. Ownership isn't a feeling. It's what remains accessible. Your recovery words, your anchor, when everything else breaks.